I'm Julian Shepherd, graduate of Business Management and Entrepreneurship, BME. I come from Ghana, and I had spent about 10 years in Ghana doing human resources as my profession. Then we decided, okay, let's make the move to Canada because it looks like that's the best place for us to be as a family. So we made that decision, and I did so much research, so much. You should see my notes. Making such a big move, you have to know, or you have to anticipate what the market needs in the place that you're going to. So that was one of my biggest concentrations when I was looking for a program that will fit me in the market here seamlessly. Hands-on was the biggest thing for me, to fit into the market and to be able to do the job that's required and to be able to do it well and excel. Oulton uses the tools and gives you the skills that will really transition you into kind of job that you are looking for. It's a program open to a wide variety of people, not just Canadians, who need to know what the Canadian workforce looks like, how to behave, how to excel. That course, it was short, but it was very insightful. It wasn't dragged, it was straight to the point, it was hard hitting, learn the skills, master them, apply them. That's it. I love that.
I wish.
Yes, I definitely feel like the confidence went really up, knowing that, okay, I am really setting myself up for a great professional experience and to be able to transition well. I met a lot of great people who impacted my life in many ways. I was shown a lot of kindness, and I really appreciated that from staff of the college to my colleagues. Everyone was great, and yeah, I have very fond memories. I'm very happy I came here and met all the people I met and went through all the experiences that I did. Yeah, we met Michelle kind of in the middle of our program, and she was in charge of trying to find us OJT placements, and she did a lot of work trying to, put us all in places where we wanted. I really like that about the Oulton experience, because it's not just, come and study and then be on your way. The college really tries to, find employment to get that hands-on experience in the real world and to be able to work and gain experience and make connections that would propel you into bigger and better things. That was really good. So Michelle did a great job, and I know she's continuing to do a great job. I work for cooperators as a licensed insurance representative. My day-to-day is to, speak with clients, set up policies for them if they need them. For existing clients, we go through their policies, we make changes that they want to make, advise them on things that they can do to better their policies, to upgrade those policies. It's been wonderful so far. The company is really helpful, getting me through my licensing, through my training, through my integration into the team. It has all been wonderful, and Oulton kind of did the same. So that transition wasn't hard as well. It was okay. This is what I've known for the last year or so. So yeah, it's just an extension, and that was really good. I had to literally blow up my life in Ghana to come to Canada, and it was challenging. That there's no way around it. There are always going to be challenges that we all have to overcome. But if you allow that fear to cripple you, you are never going to make any strides. Make the move, because it will end up better than you expect. That I know for sure, because I've been through it. It's been better than I expected. I'm way ahead of where I thought I'll be at this point in my career, and I'm grateful for that.